Ever wondered what's going on behind the scenes when you tap your Westpac card, log into their app, or receive your monthly statement? It's all powered by something called a core banking system. But what exactly is the engine room that keeps one of Australia's biggest banks running smoothly? Think of a core banking system as the central nervous system of a bank. It's the software platform that processes the daily transactions, manages accounts, and handles a vast array of banking operations. From deposits and withdrawals to loan processing and interest calculations, it's the backbone that ensures everything ticks. Choosing and maintaining the right core banking system is a monumental decision for any financial institution, impacting everything from customer experience to regulatory compliance and the ability to innovate. Now, you're probably on the edge of your seat wondering, what's the specific core banking system Westpac uses? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. For a long time, Westpac operated on a legacy core banking platform that had been built and customized over decades. This system, while robust for its time, presented challenges in terms of agility, integration with modern technologies, and the speed at which new products and services could be rolled out. Recognizing the need for modernization to stay competitive in an increasingly digital and customer-centric financial landscape, Westpac embarked on a significant core banking transformation program. This wasn't a simple upgrade, it was a complex and ambitious undertaking to replace their aging infrastructure with a more future-proof solution. So, what's the new powerhouse driving Westpac's core operations? After an extensive evaluation process, Westpac selected SAP's S/4HANA platform as their new core banking system. This represents a major shift for the bank, moving away from their internally developed legacy system to a globally recognized, modern platform. Why SAP S/4HANA? This platform offers a range of benefits for a large and complex institution like Westpac. It provides enhanced data processing capabilities, allowing for faster transaction speeds and more efficient operations. Its modular design offers greater flexibility and scalability, enabling Westpac to adapt more readily to changing market demands and customer expectations. Furthermore, S/4HANA's advanced analytics capabilities can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and business performance, supporting better decision-making. The implementation of a new core banking system is a massive undertaking for any bank, involving the migration of vast amounts of data, the integration of numerous existing systems, and the retraining of staff. It's a multi-year journey with significant investment. Westpac has been progressing with this transformation, and while such large-scale projects can face complexities and take time, the move to SAP S/4HANA signals a commitment to modernizing their technology infrastructure for the long term. This upgrade is ultimately aimed at delivering a better banking experience for Westpac's customers. A modern core banking system can pave the way for more personalized services, faster processing times, seamless digital interactions, and the introduction of innovative new products and features. It also strengthens the bank's ability to comply with evolving regulatory requirements and enhance its overall operational efficiency. So, to recap, while Westpac historically relied on its own legacy core banking system, the bank is currently in the process of a significant transformation, moving towards SAP's S/4HANA as its core banking platform for the future. This strategic move is designed to enhance their technological capabilities, improve customer service, and position them for continued success in the dynamic world of financial services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.